Santal. Meron ka pala ano? Santal na rin.
Ano?
Yan. Dito wala.
Meron yata siya
Maganda.
Meron din kaya lang hindi buo yung kay Piolo. Naulang kasi
Logo. An. Logo. Ako ba naman?
Ay, kamusta po? Sige po, sige po.
Thank you sa...
Ito,
Yes, lagi po napapanood yung
ay maganda oh.
Ayun na naman.
Gusto ko lagi po kayo napapanood. Always.
Lumupot na.
May mga
Na magsilbi sa inspirasyon. Mabuting bata at mag-aaral ka na mabuti sa
sinasabi mo mamaya mo. Ay, pag-uwi mo.
Salamat.
Chantal dito.
Lalo nung magsasabi.
Kari naman ni Chantal. Chicken one of five.
Yes. Ako na lang ang couples. Couples. Ayan.
Malay mo, tonight.
Huwag mawala ng pag-asa.
So what are you looking for right now?
Paulit-ulit lang yung sagot ko dyan.
Ibahin natin.
Ibahin natin.
Ibahin
Wala,
natin tonight.
wala akong nahanap.
Bank account.
Siyempre.
500 million up.
Ay, ang baba.
Ay, baba!
Jokes lang yan, jokes.
1 billion
Ano?
up.
Pwede na.
Okay, pwede na. Any billionaires here?
Kaya single. Arte.
You send your resumes
Please.
and hopefully you can sing.
Ay, may ganun. Balita ako.
Congrats, Janine, for the award.
Congrats.
And for it.
And for, yeah. That's an award.
What's your love team name? Huh? Sorry fans.
Ano nga ba?
Sabi, hindi sila
Ano
love team.
daw?
Hindi sila love team.
Ekonin? Ekonin and Ivory. Ang mali.
Pero may entry din.
Ano?
Don't you fret, Monsieur Marius. I don't feel any pain. Never mind.
Hinahanap ko.
Di ba ang pangalan noon si Eponin?
Eponin. Okay, sorry.
Sorry, medyo.
Sorry.
Old.
Yeah, gabi na kasi.
Ano pa? Yan, sino sineselebrate natin dyan? Sino yan?
Si Eponin.
Ayan na palang Econin.
Ekonin niya. Ayun.
Anong magazine yan? Para bilhin namin lahat.
Tatler ba yan?
Tatler. Anong month?
Tatler,
Anong month?
oo. Latest, tama?
Latest. Saan na nagbenta ka sa baba? Napa-autograph mo na ba yan?
Mamaya, ayan.
Gusto mo ngayon ako na magpapa-autograph sa kanila. Wala pa nangyayari. Ayan.
Aakyat ka?
Hindi, baba ka na. Habang nandito sila, oh.
Ayun
Alis
sila.
na yan. Pag nanalo. Dali dito.
May pa-t-shirt ka. Ayan.
4. 3.
Ayan na.
Oh, I'm giving you the opportunity of a lifetime here. Diba? Sayang naman yung senior citizen card mo.
Hindi naman, ang bagets nga eh. Ayan po, sige po.
Hintay ka namin. Hindi ba start yung
Tama-tama,
show?
bukas nandito na po kayo sa...
O, nakalock yung pinto. Sabihin niyo lang. Wala pa.
Ayan. Bumaba nga. Sana hindi siya mawala. Paano nga ba bumaba from there? Elevator? Mag-elevator pa siya, right?
Tapos magpapastamp siya doon.
Chikain mo yung pag bumaba. Pinababa mo siya eh. Oh. Okay na yan. It's a holiday today. Kasi holiday sa inyo.
Trabaho muna, guys.
Ayan na nga, nakababa na nga siya.
Ready na ba? Ilang minutes?
Nasaan na si Tita Tess? Tita Tess.
Dear Tess, you're the best. Thank you again. We are back here at the RCBC Plaza for the Box Office Awards. Miss Pops, I have a question for you. Have you ever experienced watching a teleserye or a movie, mahaba to, bear with me, in which all the cast members are exceptionally good? Yung nalilito ka na kung sino.
Alam mo, Christian, it really feels great when we get to recognize our seasoned actors who have been the strongest pillars for the entertainment industry.
Yes.
One of these iconic awards is the Corazon Samaniego Lifetime Achievement Award. It is named after Mo Foundation, Corazon Samaniego. This award is in honor of her, the Box Office Entertainment Awards Grand Matriarch who had loved unconditionally the Guillermo Foundation and its scholars. When she passed away, this Lifetime Achievement Award was born in her name.
And this year's awardee embodies this award, having been as successful as a singer, television actor, and a box office king. A career that has spanned for more than 50 years, from more than 100 films to his credit, which includes 1972's top grosser and God Smiled at Me, which won for him the 1973 box office.
A musical tribute that would melt everyone's heart when the 53rd Box Office Entertainment Awards continues.
Ang what?
Das.
Hindi ako masyado. Survival dyan.
Bakit naman abang parang may gagawin doon sa dulo ba? May nagtanong sa kanya doon sa labas ganun. May movie siya ka. Tapos ang sabi niya, meron daw siyang dalawa. Hindi ko na. So pag nagka-movie siya, guguluhin ko si Mother Bibbs para sa black screen.
Wala akong kanyang tulog. Kasi nag-10 pieces.
Walang ano lang yung mababa.
15
Sa mga birthday.
sabay kami.
Christian, the entertainment industry industry, we can't help but to feel sad because, of course, we miss a lot of our
Left us one after the other in just the span of 3 months. 5 of our entertainment icons have left us with memories and a long line of legacies that will continue to inspire and encourage us to do more for the industry we all belong.
The Guillermo Foundation has prepared a special tribute to these 5 great icons, arranged by the maestro Homer Flores. Please welcome 5 of the finest voices in the OPM kingdom: Vina Morales, Jillian Ward, Diego Gutierrez, Dingdong Avanzado, and Jano Gibbs.
The Guillermo Foundation hereby grants these posthumous awards as icons of Philippine entertainment to
Here at the CPR Auditorium in RCBC Plaza. We will now give recognition to the top drama actors on daytime and primetime television. They are the ones who have made us cry, made us laugh, and made us angry.
her role as Dr. Annalyn.
This next awardee made a big comeback to primetime drama series through his role as Tyrone De Vera in the teleserye Lavender Fields. His excellent performance as a man trapped between 2 powerful women has achieved consistency high. Sorry po.
It's all good. It's all good. No problem. We got this. We got this. Consistent.
To start lang po. Thank you so very much. This next awardee made a big comeback to primetime drama series through his role as Tyrone De Vera in the teleserye Lavender Fields. His excellent performance as a man trapped between 2 powerful women has achieved consistent 24's primetime TV drama.
Congratulations, Jericho. Our next awardee has always raised the level of acting in every character she plays. Her duality as Jasmine Flores and Lavender Fields was so impressive that it earned the nod of the Guillermo Foundation. Congratulations to our primetime TV drama actress of the year, Jody Santa Maria. Sound check. Filipino film of all time, Hello, Love Again. This year, because of the unprecedented box office success of the movie Hello, Love Again worldwide, with the record-breaking gross of 1.6 billion, the Guillermo Foundation decided to combine the box office king and queen title and the phenomenal stars of Philippine cinema. We will first crown the phenomenal box office queen. For her role as Joy, she was able to level up her performance from Hello, Love, Goodbye and gave a more mature performance.
Congrats then!
Congratulations.
Box office king!
Hindi